Hi guys, welcome back to Spot That Deal, and today we're talking about something very close to my heart, a product that really does a lot for children in Africa. As you can hear, I'm from South Africa, so I honestly just hate it when this pop-ups come. Sorry for that, I just hate it when this happens. Okay, let it finish. Join or Hollywood Bets, let it finish, all of them. I mean, all of them finish. Okay. Now we can go ahead again. Sorry for that. So back to this product. It's called lifestraw. It's made by a company called lifestraw. And what's unique to this product is that for every lifestraw product that is sold, one child in Africa will receive entire year's worth of clean drinking water, guys. Now this product is going under $20. So for every straw you buy, a child in Africa will get clean drinking water. You know, this. Something that we take for granted every day. There's a child somewhere in Africa that will love to just have a sip of this clean drinking water. Okay, so lifestraw, it's obviously a straw that you can use if you're an adventurer or a person that loves the outdoors and your water has ran out. You use a lifestraw to drink out of any river or stream or dam or whatever water source is close to you, and you can just drink out of that water and it will clean the water, and they will kill 99.99999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella. So this is actually a very innovative product. It's an Amazon's Choice product, and it's got a 4.5 star rating, more than 7,700 customer reviews. Sorry for my broken English, I'm really trying. So even if you're not someone that loves the outdoors, please go and get one of the straws. You will help a child in need. Honestly, this is for a good cause. So quickly just check the promo video and you will see exactly how the straw works and how they're actually assisting children in Africa. I'll be back after the promo video.
Access clean drinking water wherever you go with lifestraw. It is a small, ultralight water filter that frees you from carrying drinking water by removing harmful bacteria, parasites, and microplastics to keep you safe on your adventures. Using it is simple. Open the caps, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, just blow the water out of the filter, replace the caps, and off you go. Ideal for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergencies, lifestraw filters a minimum of 1,000 gallons of water, equivalent to roughly 4 years of clean drinking water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every lifestraw product you purchase, a child in need receives safe water for an entire school year. Over 1 million children are receiving clean water today thanks to people like you.
Okay, so we're back. As you saw there, how many children? I think it's more than 1 million children already been assisted with clean drinking water by lifestraw. Go and get this product, guys, and please subscribe to this channel. I don't know what to say anymore. I think we've got like 2 subscribers. It's actually a joke, but I'm really trying from my side to try and bring you the best possible products, and to just bring you good videos with good info and with good deals and all the things that goes with it. So please go and buy this product for a good cause. Subscribe to this channel and remember to push that little bell button for all new notifications. You will get our videos immediately and you can watch them, and we will appreciate that. So until I see you again on the next video, go and buy a lifestraw. It's for a very good cause. You can save a child's life and you're only paying $20 for it. I mean, come on. I mean, we're giving out $20 every day on nonsense. Honestly, if it's cool drink or chips, go and help a child with that $20. See you in the next installment of Spot That Deal. Cheers, guys.